Autumn. I'm graduating in 2022, so I'm a sophomore. I'm a civil engineering major with a concentration in construction engineering management, and I'm from Beacon, New York. Originally, I wanted to go into architecture and building, but I also like the idea of designing, so that's why I thought about architectural engineering, but it's more of a concentrated field, so I broadened it and went into civil engineering. Well, one of the main reasons I chose Clarkson is the placement rate and just the opportunities that Clarkson has. They have so many different partnerships with major businesses, and so one of the main reasons going to college is to be able to not only learn and enhance my knowledge, but to find a job that I can put that knowledge to use. And so because with Clarkson there's a high guarantee of finding a job outside of graduation, that was a big motivator for coming here. So I also did research with Professor Backus this past summer on what's called complete streets, which is basically just making streets safer for everybody. And I did undergraduate research with Professor Backus, which was a great experience because I got to work with the local community. I worked with Canton, the town of Canton, and then based on my work and the experience that I have there, I also have received an internship with Atlantic Testing Laboratory, and I think I got that mainly because I'm involved with ASCE, and we're hosting the competition, the concrete canoe competition, and the head judge, I met him at the career fair. We had a really good conversation, and so with ATL, I'm going to be testing concrete and soils, and it's going to be exciting because I'll be doing this work before having taken the classes, so I'll have a lot of knowledge going into classes. I think one of the coolest things about civil engineering is that the stuff that you do, you immediately see. So like if you design a building, it's there and you can see like the work that you've done. I know a speaker came in who had been at Gilbane. He was one of the executives from there, and he gave an overview of like all of the work that he's done, and you can see it like all throughout the country, and I think it's really cool to see that. So at Clarkson, I've gotten heavily involved with the American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE, and that has been really great for networking. We were able to go to a conference in Philadelphia for leadership with ASCE National, and that was really cool because getting to meet a bunch of different people, and as I mentioned, the connection with ASCE helps me to get my internship with Atlantic Testing Laboratories.